What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. And today's video, we're going to be taking a look at week number 10 from the 2019 Spring Summer Collection from Supreme. There's not too much to say in the intro of this video. As always, guys, thank you so much for all the recent support. As you can kind of see, I changed up the background a little bit. I am going to be adding a couple more things. I don't really know what yet. For right now, I just have some shoes displayed. I'm probably going to add some posters. And as always, guys, if I do help you out in any way in this video, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. Week number 10 for Supreme is set to release this Thursday at 11 AM EST. Unfortunately, guys, this week is pretty bad. Honestly, like this is probably the worst week we've had this season. As you know, last week we had the box logos. That was just a mess. So this week is kind of like a chill week. So you can save some of your money and get ready for the Travis Scotts this coming week. But if you do want a piece in terms of bots, I'd probably recommend running SupBot. There wasn't a ton of success last week with bots, honestly. I might recommend you just go manual, especially since this week's kind of slow. You're probably going to be able to get it. If you haven't seen my how to check out Supreme manually video, definitely check out the link in the description below. I'll have a link down there to it. And I'm sorry, guys, this is going to be a pretty short video. This week, like I keep saying, is not very good. So without any further ado, let's just hop right into it. So starting us out, we have the Highland jacket coming in at a retail price of $298. So based off the past releases and the hype around this jacket, I'm going to put resale somewhere around $350 maybe. Personally, I'm going to be staying away from it. If you were to go for it, I'd probably recommend going in a size small in the red colorway. I'd probably stay away from it, honestly, guys. Moving on, we have the F Everybody sweater coming in at a retail price of $148. I'm going to put resale somewhere around $175 to $200. I mean, this piece is pretty good. There's not a lot of Supreme branding on it, but if you did want to go for it in terms of resale, I would probably recommend the white colorway in a size small. Moving on, we have the Know Thyself sweatshirt coming in at a retail price of $158. This is kind of a hard piece. I mean, I would probably put resale somewhere around $180 to $200. Again, guys, I don't know if I'd go for it. It's a pretty dope personal piece, but if you wanted to go for it in terms of resale, I'd probably recommend either the white, black, or the red colorway in a size small. Next up, we have the Forever Half Zip Up sweatshirt coming in at a retail price of $148. I kind of forgot about this piece, guys. This is not a crazy bad piece. I could see the red colorway in a size small doing pretty good. I might have to pick one of these up because, like, if it breaks, I could just wear it for personal. I could see this having a decent amount of resale. Moving on, we have the Pinstripe Varsity jacket coming in at a retail price of $188. I'm gonna put resale somewhere around $220. This is a pretty dope piece. I just don't really know how much hype is around it. If you do want to go for it, I'd probably recommend the black colorway in a size small. And last but not least, we have the Supreme Zikintani La. I know I butchered the name. You can see the picture right here. I have no idea how to say it, but this is coming in at a retail price of $60. And based off the past releases, the skate decks haven't really done that well. I'm gonna put resale somewhere around $75, maybe lower. I probably wouldn't go for this piece in terms of resale. Now that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. Unfortunately, guys, this video is pretty short. This week is just complete trash. I mean, we have a couple good pieces, but other than that, I'd probably skip out on it. But if you do want to go for something for personal, I would definitely recommend checking out my How to Cop manual video down in the description below. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.